how to download and install Twitter application. So if you want to download and install the Twitter application on your mobile device, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So the Twitter application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So as the first step, you need to open up to Google Play Store over here. And in the search bar, you just have to tap and search for Twitter. And right after searching, you'll be able to see this application. Right now the Twitter has been updated to X, so you must know that the X means Twitter. So just tap over the install option over here, and it will take a few time to install. It just depends upon your internet connection. And after installing, if you do have your account, then you can log into your account. Otherwise, you can also create your account on Twitter, and by doing that, you'll be able to share various tweets with your friends, and also you'll be able to see the various shared tweets over there by some celebrities or someone. So this is the thing. And few time later, this application has been installed on my device. I just can go for open and go for the further process. So with this simple step, you'll be able to download and install Twitter application on your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.